overall event leaderboard right now. Trey Robbins and Crazy Train secures that top spot with a total of 8 points. Cody Saucier and Dragon with the second fastest time. You can see has earned a total of 7 points. Reindeer with the third fastest time, a total of 6. And so on as we move down that BKT overall event leaderboard. As we move on throughout the event, the drivers will accrue points in each competition. So make sure you're scoring at judgeszone.com.
Monster Jam fans, it's now time for the Monster Jam Mini Champs race. And I got my buddy Kyrie with what looks like an entire crew that came along with him today at Monster Jam to play Mini Jams. So here's the way it's going to work, Kyrie. You're going to look up at that screen right there. You're going to get 3 options. You can choose Gravedigger, you can choose El Toro Loco, or Megalodon. And whoever wins this race decides whether or not you win a prize. Do you think you got your answer? Who do you want to root for? All right, what are we thinking? You want Toro Loco, Gravedigger, or Megalodon? Okay, so you want Toro Loco. Do we have any Toro Loco fans in the house? What about Gravedigger fans? All right, here we go. Line them up and let them fly. All right, here we go. So we got Gravedigger out in front. Obviously, Gravedigger's one of the fastest ones. Megalodon, Toro coming in second now, taking advantage of that turn. Passing and making a move to first place. Can Toro hold on? You got Gravedigger back. Megalodon's like swimming around. I don't know what's going on back there. Gravedigger making a move. Megalodon's in front. No! Come on, Toro! Kyrie, I'm not gonna lie, I was stressed out. I was like, oh no, Kyrie's not gonna get a prize. Hey, you know what? Because of Toro Loco, you're gonna get a prize. You're joining us here. And I want you to come back. So we're gonna get you a ticket pack to come back on May 2nd when we come back to Huntington Bank Field and bring in a stadium Monster Jam event a little later on today. You excited about coming back to Monster Jam? Give me 5. Hey, if you guys want to join us at another awesome Monster Jam event, take a look at the big screen. We're coming back May 2nd. Tickets go on sale tomorrow. So be ready and join us at Monster Jam.
We saw Terminal Velocity John Zimmer Jr. at a halt at the beginning of the event. That's gotta be a tough moment, but luckily we've got Alex Miniak covering that pepperboard brought to you by Northern Tool Equipment. So Alex, talk to us about the conditions of Terminal Velocity.
Right now they've got a bit of an electrical problem on Terminal Velocity that caused it to miss JCB Racing. The goal is to get it ready for the Two-Wheel Skills Challenge. I'm about to go deeper into the crash zone to figure out more, find out what's happening from the techs themselves. I'll get you more as it happens.
Alex, thanks so much. We know it's a vital moment for John Zimmer Jr. at Terminal Velocity. And at Monster Jam fans, you can count that Alex Miniak is going to get us that story. So fingers crossed and the best of luck to that entire team.
What's the point of closing?
Cleveland, it's time for the second competition of the event. It's the Two-Wheel Skills Challenge. In this competition, all 8 of our drivers will have 2 attempts to perform the most impressive maneuver they've got on his 2 BKT tires. So let's hear from the experts themselves. We're going to take a look at the criteria first. Now you are the official judges, so you want to keep in mind, we want to see major moves here, stockies, poppers, bicycles, and even combinations. So make sure you've scanned that QR code and you're ready at judgeszone.com. But let's hear from the experts themselves and some of the maneuvers they might pull off here today.
Yeah, I think it's
definitely this guy really needs to walk on.
I got 3.
Pop it up right up on top. Land and walk all the way across. My favorite skill is a stopping.
Hey, hon. Don't worry about it. We'll make it.
You can use a side out. So pop it if you don't want to go to stop. And then move on is only in back. Reverse. Up over AR6. Catch that lip with the front tires. Set it up on the wheelie bar. Sit there for a few seconds. If it cooperates. Try to walk it up, AR6, across the bottom.
All right, it's time for you to get the Two-Wheel Skills Challenge started. So follow along and clap your hands. be that crazy anywhere else.
Stuck there?
I don't know, Cleveland. We might have been in a situation of risk and reward there for Montana Robbins. That truck shut off may not have been on purpose that second time. We're going to get word from him and find out. But, man, oh man, we don't see this anywhere else. We're pushing the trucks to the limit, and as a driver, you have to figure out, is that going to be worth it? Is that risk going to be there? You guys determine it right now. Scoring is open. You see those number boards turn red and the QR code. Score now at judgeszone.com. Let's take a look at the Super Glue. Glued to the action replay. Cleveland, we tell you, these events are unlike any other. We've seen unprecedented stuff happen right here, and that truly says and speaks to the level that these drivers are pushing these trucks. Up on 2 BKT tires there, takes it up and over the pod. A confident stop, but we're going to find out exactly what you thought. Your scores are locked in for Montana Robbins in Playing It Crazy. You decided a 7.117 will be that score beat.